don't get this excited to come to my house.
Mom has to go away again this weekend, which means you're gonna get to stay with Grandma and Grandpa.
Love you. I'll be back. You'll see me soon, okay? I know.
He's been a good boy. Yes, he has. He's been a good boy. Yes.
Hello.
You want to go see Grandma?
Come on, Zeus. Come on, then.
110-pound baby. Hey, let's go.
Oh.
Come on,
Come on, Jack.
Come on, baby.